we are going to make a CGPA calculator in LibreOffice Calc. Here are the subjects, the grades, and the grade points related to the grades. The grade points are taken from the grade table, and we have a drop down menu. We can select the grades from here. The grades are taken from the grade table. And if we change that, the grade point will change, the CGPA will change. So it's working. So let me show you how we can do all of that. So let's create a new sheet, CGPA, and we are going to manually type the subject names. In this column, the grade points will be shown. And now we're going to make the grade tables. These are all manually inputted. These are the grades, these are the grade points. We'll input only the grades available in the grade table. To limit that, we'll go to data and validity, and in criteria we will allow only the cell range, and the source will be the grades from the table. And it's shown on the source the K9 to K17, and it is optional, but I will suggest you to do that, to write some error code in case of a user input some grades other than that is listed there. Your grade is not valid. Only valid grades are the grades listed there. Press OK, and there will be a drop down button. You can select the grades, and right now the grade points are not showing, and if we enter anything other than the grades, it will show an error. So in order to get the grade point from the table, we will need to use the VLOOKUP function. So we'll write the VLOOKUP formula. The search criterion would be the grade, the E9 column, or the E9 cell. The array would be the table, the index will be second, as the grades are displayed in L column, that is second column of the table. And we are not sorted that in ascending order, so we'll keep 0, so it will make an exact match. We need to make that absolute reference so that whenever we drag it, the reference do not change, as it is all NA. With whenever we select the grades, it will automatically change, same as before. So it's working. Let's input some random grades. The grades are all randomly inputted. The multiplication of the 2, make some formatting. Now the CGPA will be the average of this multiplication divided by the sum of the credits. In both cases the sum will be applicable. We'll do some more formatting, and to round that digit we're going to select that format as a number option. And we are done. Everything is working as it should be. This file will be in the description box, so anyone can use this, and it will be in XLSX format, so it will work in Microsoft Excel file also. The lookup is, the blue is the grades and the red one is the table. I will have more LibreOffice Calc videos, so see you later. Bye bye.